Hey people, since I always like to record two videos at a time, in this video I want to speak of the fact that on Netflix there is this other Japanese program, Japanese show called Tokyo Bachelors. I mean, it's quite a it's you would you can say it's a rom-com because it's a romantic comedy. That's the kind of slant of the show. But like I said, people watching these different international shows, it helps you learn a new language, and it gives you a certain cultural reference of that place. So Tokyo Bachelors, I mean, like they say in Reader's Digest, there's this quote that nothing shows a person's character more than what he laughs at. So, keeping in mind the kind of humor, and strangely, I've seen that humor across the world is same, yeah. I mean, and especially Japanese humor is very kind. They don't ever, sometimes humor can get a little cruel or slapstick or something, but Japanese humor is very kind and very refined and very, oh my god, yeah, I mean, to really know Japanese culture and the thing, it's nice to watch these, real time, whatever, love stories or whatever. Like in terms of, like I spoke of Terrace House and Ainori, but Tokyo Bachelors is the story and the plot is so different, and it's about these three bachelors in Tokyo and of how they are in the process of finding love, and it's interesting. So people, this is yet another show that you can explore on Netflix. So so yeah, I'm on this whole promote nice programs on Netflix phase of my life. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.